Okay, I just got this new AeroLidz Quiet Lightning Guard for my light bar. Excuse me for flipping around so quickly. From my Jeep Rubicon. It's a 2016 Unlimited. And they say it's supposed to reduce the noise. It's had really super good reviews. It's supposed to be really easy to put on. This is my light bar. It's a 52 inch if I'm not mistaken. And this is about 52 inches. You can cut it down if need to. It's pretty lightweight plastic. And it's supposed to just slide right on up and over. So I'm going to attempt to do this. I have to put the phone down and pause this while I do it. But this is the crease that you're supposed to like put up on the light bar right there. And it's supposed to be really easy. So I'll be right back. I've got it sort of up here, as you can see. I'm doing this by myself. It'd be a heck of a lot easier with two people. But I just kind of pried it apart, started towards the back, came forward, and now I'm going to finish sliding it all the way to the other side. I'm going to put this down again. Okay, I'm done. Definitely be easier with two people to help pry it up, but I was able to do it myself. And when you get it on there, you need to make sure that you have these, they're called stop locks or something like that. And you need to make sure that's facing forward. So your whole thing looks like an egg sitting sideways. So it's really super secure. It's in there really solid, like they said. So I will be running this tomorrow on my way to work. And I will let you guys know, but from everything I've heard, it's supposed to really reduce that noise. Thanks, and thanks for watching.